How to change mouse pointer size and color on your MacBook or your iMac. So the first thing you have to do is you want to go to your system application, system setting, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down until you find accessibility, like here. And then you want to go on display, you want to click on it, and you want to scroll down until you find this pointer. Or if you have an older version of Mac, it will say cursor. So on pointer or cursor size, you want to just slide it to the right or left and make it bigger or normal. And you can also turn this on or off. So when you turn this on, when you shake your cursor, it will get bigger. And to change the color, you want to go to this pointer outline color and the fill color. You can change it. For example, I want to go yellow, like this one. And the fill color, I want to go with, for example, blue. And just like that. Or if you want to go back to your factory setting, you just set on reset colors like here. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.